Okay. It's not working. Alright. I'm going to be working on the Twitch chat controlled music generation thing. Hopefully my audio is better. I turned up my mic volume, so hopefully you can hear me a little bit better. Yeah, I don't know. I think maybe it's just not displaying. I'm gonna look on here. Yeah, okay, it's just not showing up on the stream. So let me just, I don't know how to like refresh or something. It's not showing up. Maybe if I remove it and put it back. But yeah, so today I want to, oops. There we go. There it is. Alright, so hopefully that should be working. Yeah, give it a shot. Alright, there we go. Okay, cool. We got 2 viewers. Alright. Okay, so today I want to do parts. I want to do instruments. So I want you to be able to join with a specific instrument. And I want everyone to be able to have their own part. So everyone can be sending notes, and it will only add to their own staff. And I also want to see if I can figure out the composers thing that I somehow messed up last time. Also, let me know if my audio is better, because I think it was kind of weird last time. Alright, let's get started. Let me make sure I don't leak anything. Okay, so let's get this showing. Cool. Yeah, let's make this a little smaller. Okay, and let me move this I hope that's readable. Okay, cool. Alright. So yeah, if you're watching right now, feel free to try sending messages in the chat, and it'll add to this little score here that we got going. And then we can hear it at the end. Alright, so yes, research has been done. I would like to thank Narioko for looking into some modules. D2.2. Okay, yeah, I have to fix this because I remade it and now size is all wrong. So I have to okay. How do I edit the size? Properties. Yeah. So I think it was like, I can't remember, it was like 2500? No. 5. I wonder, is it changing live? Okay, it is. 1700, I can't remember. Oop. I can't remember what the size was that I had last time. I should probably say that, but I'll just adjust it whenever it gets it goes off the screen. So yeah, 2.2. You got a decuplet there. All right. So parts. I'm very unprepared. I got to open the documentation. Okay, so with this, I want to Alright, so I want to have, yeah, I'm going to make this list of composers uncommented, because I'll just have, actually whatever, let's just make a separate one. Yeah, okay, sure, call it composers. That'll just be the list of people typing in the chat and the list of parts at the same time, I guess. Okay, and then, so every time someone sends a message, so I just think about this. Yeah, so let's do it this way. If message text equals join, yeah. Oops. Always missing my double equals. Yeah, we want to yeah. I guess I'll just do the global thing. I mean, I don't want to pass it in every time. Why not? Okay. Then score dot, I believe you have to insert a part at part 0. Well, let's make a new part first though. Part dot part. Does that work? Where is it? Oh boy. Stream that part. Or should I just, it should just be part? I thought it was stream, not part. Doesn't seem to like stream. Score? Because score is the stream, right? Yeah. Sorry, let me read the documentation again. So it's stream.part, but okay, reading it again. Yeah, so I thought you dot insert okay. Yeah, score dot part. Okay. Part dot ID. Equals message sender. Oops. Yeah. Okay. I don't know if this is gonna work. So then do you append the note to the part specifically? Yeah, I think so. Okay. Yeah, and let me know if the audio is good or not, if you can. Let me fix this again. Make sure it's on screen. Properties. Okay. I think it was 2500. Let's just do that. Oh, okay. Maybe it was 2700. Oops. Okay. Yeah. There we go. Alright. Okay, let's try this. Ooh. Is it going to reset your thing? Whatever. Let's listen to what Inaru and I have made. Sorry. One message too late. Okay, let me, show this. Okay, here we go. Nice. Okay, let's listen to it. Turn the volume up. Alright, excellent work there. Yeah, it does kind of clash with the music in the background. Maybe I'll mute that. I don't know. Yeah. Alright, hopefully we get some more people in chat. So I want to be able to like know which part I'm adding it to. So I think if I reference the ID, yeah. I want to make a new one, but yeah, so it's part.append, but how do I know which part I'm appending to? How do I reference an existing part? Okay, music 21 and get part. Part I get instrument. Is there like a get part? The get instrument. Oh, there's a get parts. Can you get parts by ID? Oh yeah, I'm glad you can keep adding onto that. By ID. I'm not sure how to do this, to be honest. And there's like so little documentation online, it's difficult. I mean, there's good documentation, but there's no like Stack Overflow or anything. Okay. Yeah, I'm not sure. Get part by ID. Or is there scored up parts by ID? Yeah, but doesn't the ID have to be a number? Like, isn't it, how will I know which, or can the ID not be a, oh no, that's right, Safari. My default browser. Bad. Uh-oh. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let me take a look at that. Oh no, it's not copying. Copy. There you go. Okay. So you can do return all parts. Okay, you can do it like that then. Oh yeah. Okay, I think I remember reading that actually. Okay, I've forgotten. Cool. So if I just set this to this, and then when I add message, so when I call add to score, I'm gonna have to pass the message sender as well. Yeah. Sure. Yeah, I should probably not use global variables, but whatever. Score.parts.stream. Wait. Part stream. s.parts.stream. Ah, yeah, you're right. And then index the part stream. Part stream object is a full stream score object. Interesting. Okay, so score.append. I'm just gonna comment that out. So then I need to do score.parts.stream. Oops. Of message sender. I've forgotten to do this. There. Dot append n. Okay. I think I've done that right. Okay. Cool. So you type join. It makes a new part. It sets the ID of that part to your name. It adds it to the score. And then, okay, so I think this should work. Let's try it out. This may or may not override the current one. Crashed, okay. Stream object is no attribute part. Epic fail. Oh, right, that's the try except. Cool. Score object is no attribute part. Wait, so that's gotta be here, right? Oh, no. This. Okay. Score.parts.stream. Interesting. Okay, how do I make a new part? Score with a stream.score. Oh, stream.score. Okay. Wait. Stream.score.part. Like that. Okay, yeah. We'll be right back. I'll try and figure this out. Okay, sorry, there's a lot of stuff going on. Part. You make, I mean, here they just did stream, not part. I don't know. And oh, maybe, is it just this? Is it that? Right, but is stream a variable here? Stream class? Hold on. Try this. Oh, did that work? Stream out. Oh, interesting. Okay, so it didn't crash. Let's print. Actually, let's do that after the ID. Let's try this again. It's gonna crash on the stream. Huh? Really? Wait, I didn't get that before. It's so weird. Oh. Why did it work before? Or it didn't crash before, at least. That's weird. I did join and then there's no output. So are they using stream as a variable here? Stream.part. S.parts. I think you can just do for this. You might just be able to do S.parts. Interesting. We got in chat. Okay. Cool. Stream that part. MJK stream comments, okay, embed streams. What's up? Yes, and coding. Thank you so much for tuning in. Yeah, feel free to try out. Let me put this down here. Okay. Okay, this display.html. Put that below that. Okay. Yeah, it is music. So what you can do is type in the chat and it'll add it. Here. Actually, it's broken right now because I'm working on it. No, it's not watching. Okay, anyways. I need to figure this out. So how do I make a new, part? So score equals stream.score, part equals stream.part. I don't understand what's wrong with this. Huh? Is it because I'm using it in a function? This is so weird. I don't understand. This is not, this should be, this, it works up here. Like in the documentation that I'm reading, they do stream.part and that's how they make a new part. Okay, I'm going to uncomment this and comment this out. So now you can try adding stuff to the score. Like if you type in the chat, I don't know why I keep adding. Let's add A#2 or 2 beats. It'll add it over there. So yeah, that's a way to. So you can try it out. Feel free to type in chat. I see. Let me put this here. can see it on screen. Okay, I'm doing streaming stuff behind the scenes. That's why I keep pausing and like looking at other stuff. Alright, let me know if my audio is good as well, because I applied a gain filter to turn up the volume, so hopefully it's a little bit better. It'll be okay. See ya. Appreciate you all dropping by. Like, I don't understand. They've done stream.part. Wait, let me try something. Python. Whoa, lag, okay. So if I just, from music 21 import star. Oh god. Oh. That's probably the wrong version. Music 21 import star. Okay, and then I do s equals stream dot stream, and then I do p equals stream dot part. That works. Why doesn't stream dot part work in the function? I think it's because use module in function Python. Why does it say why? I don't understand. It caches it, so I could just import it inside function. Wonder if that'll just fix it. This is great code. This is excellent code you're watching right here. Oops. Maybe this will work. Okay. Oh. So you just can't do that. Huh. Wait, you just can't. Oh, maybe. Weird. Oh, I see. Interesting. I don't know why this doesn't work. Let me continue with this. S equals stream.stream. Ah, shoot. From music 21 import star. S equals stream.stream. Oops. God. Come on. P equals stream dot part. Then I should be able to do s dot insert p 0p. I mean, that works. What? Is it because it's in a function? Yeah, I don't know why this doesn't work. Is it a Python thing that I don't understand? What should I do? Sorry. I think it lagged. What was that in regards to? The yes? You can add notes. Like B flat 4 whole. And it'll add it to this image up here. Yeah. You can also do key. You can also change the key signature. Like that. Number of charts or flats. Give it a second to update. Uh-oh. Is that breaking? Perfect pitch. That's cool. Rest and gnomes. Okay, yeah, I'm working on that. I haven't done rest yet. I'm trying to give everyone their own part. Let me see. F sharp 2 quarter. It won't let me change the key signature. Oh, it did work. Oh, I see. So the key signature changes when you add the next note. Okay. You can try adding notes. Feel free to just go ahead, type in the chat. C flat. C flat. My favorite note. Oh, don't put a space after the comma. I should probably have it. Don't put spaces. Yeah, I should probably have it stripped for spaces, but I'm lazy. There's just so much error checking. It's like annoying. Okay, I don't know why this doesn't work. There you go. Okay, stream.part. This is baffling me. Yeah, so go ahead, play around with that. You can add any length notes, really. Oh, you don't have to put the dash, so the dash is just, the dash means flat. Yeah, and then afterwards we can listen to it. Uh-oh, no. Remove them. What? You don't want to listen to it? I just need to make sure it's all on screen, which I think it is. Yeah, so just keep playing around with that while I try and fix this. Yeah, let me know if it goes off the screen. Also, let me know if my audio is any good, because hopefully it fixed, but I don't know. Like, am I louder than last time? Because I should be, but I don't know. Trying to get more people to come play with it. All right, let's see. All right. My viewership is currently people that I have DM'd on various platforms to come watch. But, you know, it counts. Yeah. How do people not have Twitch? Cool. if you're just joining, you're welcome to try and type in the chat and add notes. I have the instructions on screen, and they're a little bit small, but hopefully you can read them. But yeah, you're gonna have to type in chat if you want to participate. So go ahead and make it a Twitch account. Like, it's just your email. Pretty sure. Okay, I need to figure this out because apparently I'm dumb and stream.part doesn't exist. Or something. Maybe if I do music21.stream.part. Is that and that? I don't understand. Okay, I'm gonna stop this for a second. We're gonna listen to it. So if I hit stop, it makes the music thingy. Alright. Oh shoot, that did not work. Let me bring this up top. Okay, there we go. Yeah, no. The stop, sorry. It was not, okay. It's the command, so it's for the code. So it actually stops the thingy. That wasn't directed at you. Well, it was, but because you were the only one making it. So no, never mind. We're gonna hear it. Okay. This is mostly a creation by PyGirl AD, but also me. So, all right, let's give it a shot. Here it is. Why did that sound like the Yee song? Okay. I appreciate that. Good job there. Yeah. The day I get rickrolled with my own code, I'm gonna have to retire. Oh, that's funny. Okay. Yeah. Go rickroll me again this time. But I need to restart this so that I can test out something. Oh no. Alright. Join. Music21, that's fine. Yeah, okay, what? Module not defined in function. I don't understand. Custom module name. Oh. Is it because of the import star? You have to import each element explicitly. Okay. Alright, well, I think the best solution is to just do this. And then do, like, yeah. Okay, that's a weird Python thing, I guess. Oops, this should be import. Okay. Now I have to go through and change all this. So I can just change this to M21. I'm just going to call it M21. Key signature. M21.note.note name. Yeah, I think this is a better solution because it's either that or I have to import everything, which I'm too lazy to do. Okay, yeah, but wait, what? Why all of this? Score. Oh wait, I didn't change. No, I did change this. Should still work. Have I broken the whole thing? Don't worry, I saved your Yee song. Oh no, it's gonna highlight. What? Why is it even highlighting that? Huh? What do you mean, oops? What happened? Oh, we're up to 4 viewers. Yo. If you're watching, feel free to type in the chat. Wait, what? All these are undefined now? Huh, okay, that's gonna, like, actually drive me nuts. What's up, Elias? Okay. Yeah, this is not a good idea. Let's do instead from Music 21 import a note stream, or I should probably do this in order. Stream note duration key signature. What is it called? Key. Is that all? What's going on in the chat? We got oops. What happened? Uh-oh. Oops and then silence is never a good sign. Okay, so that works. So does that mean that join will work? Yeah, okay, well, that makes sense. Join. Again? I don't understand, like this works fine. Do I have another variable named stream in here? Like, I don't think so. That's just like super weird. Oh. Wait. Huh. If last new stream equals. Huh. Wait. Scored up. That's nice. And then this. Oh no, that's just remove. Wait, what is this? Can I just comment that out? Breaking my own code. Sometimes that module just does not work. Join. Oh, alright. Okay. But have I broken... Does it still work? Okay, it was this line that... Okay. Okay. Let me try one more thing, because if I can do this, it'll be a lot better. I mean, bad coding practice here. Don't just import everything. Okay, cool. Now, it's about to get exciting, guys. Okay, now we uncomment this. Oop. I did put in these songs. Oh, whoa, okay. The mother summons. Oh god. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend putting your actual name on Twitch, but you know, you do you. Although obviously my name is my channel name, so whatever. Okay, let's see if this works. C4 half. No, don't go. Okay, stream object is now attribute parts. Interesting. You gotta go. Alright, thank you so much for coming and watching. I really appreciate that. Yeah. See you. I'm guessing you already have notifications on. But if you don't, turn them on. And then you can get notified. Alright, we got 5 viewers in the chat. We got a couple people tuning in. Feel free to type in the chat if you want to add notes to this musical score. Yeah, stream has no object. Stream object has no attribute parts. Alright, we failed. Also, if you type join twice, it'll probably break. Oh, whoa, wait. Something's happening. We have 2 parts. How? What is going on? Yeah, don't put spaces between the note. Yeah, you didn't. Okay, cool. Wait, hold on. How did that work? Wait, I'm confused. Refresh this. So we have, so it's added the parts, but I think is score stream.stream object or stream.score object right now. So score is a stream.stream. Should I make it? Wait. Or do you need a stream.score object to do this? Let me look at the documentation again. I just did stream.part and then part1.append. Oh. Okay, but if I change it to score, like, will that screw everything up, or will it still work with all the other things? Alright, let's try it. Oh. Oh. I think it's working. Oh. Yes. Alright. Naru, the absolute genius. Mr. Naruyo. Okay. Relax. Slow your roll. I gotta catch up. That should give you some Oh, you're adding it too fast. Okay, yeah, go ahead, catch it. I'll be the background baseline or whatever. We got 3 viewers tuning in. Yeah, so if you change the key signature, that'll change it for everyone, right? I think. And it changes it. Okay, I've just changed my clef. Yeah. That key signature just did not change at all. Let's see. Did that even do anything? Yeah. That's weird. I mean, like, yeah. Okay, so Yeah. Need to add it to part. Yeah. Yeah. No. I got you. Sorry. I've lost myself. Where is the key signature? Okay. Score.append. Right. So instead of doing that, we have to do score.parts.stream, message sender, blah blah blah. .append. Parts dot. Wait, was it stream? Capital? Yeah. No. Stream. Every time you add a note, it opens MuseScore for like a little fraction of a second to run the thing. And it changes my focus. I think that works. Is it insert? Yeah, it's append. Okay. Alright, if you're out there watching, we got Elias, we got Bing Cortana, we got Aten, we got Abbott Costello in the chat. I don't know if those are bots or whatever, but feel free to type. Yeah, alright, I'm gonna let Naru keep that going until he gets to however much I've put in. Oh, the music has stopped. Yeah, it stopped on, dang, it stopped on this one too last stream. I wonder if it's weird. Oh, okay, so YouTube paused it. I think, yeah. I think that's a YouTube thing. Because it paused in the same place last time. Alright, I gotta remember to like make sure that doesn't happen. Or when it pauses, yeah, I don't know, interact with it every once in a while. Because I have literally just an embed of a website there. Alright, coming up on an hour, and I'm pretty happy about what I've done so far, although could have been more productive for sure. Definitely came across some stupid errors, but we move. Okay, so I've done this to append the key signature. And then, yeah, cool. So I want to have it show everyone's name on their part so that like your name can appear next to your part, because I think that would be super cool. So I wonder if there's a name, like a part.name. Maybe like P name pitches. I don't know. Let's Google it. Part name. Part. Okay. Okay. Let's see. How do I like show the name? Maybe from the stream. Part abbreviation. Part name. Okay, yeah. P dot part name. Okay. Well, what? What's the difference between the name and the ID? So changing an instrument's dot part name or dot instrument name while it's already in the stream will automatically update this. Set explicitly. Yeah, but how do you set it explicitly? Oh. Okay, I'm dumb. It's literally just P. Okay, cool. Where's that? So we want to do part name equals message sender. Okay. Cool. Done. Alright, perfect timing. Although I wasn't reading, so maybe you were done earlier. Let's give this a look. Alright. Again, it's still credited to Music21, but we work together on this. Alright, I'm just gonna mute the music for a second. Alright, here we go. No. Yeah, that was, yeah, you don't want to hear me sing. That was definitely not the right pitch. I will not be doing that again. That was terrible. Alright. Oh no, we dropped to 2 viewers. That is unfortunate. Okay. Cool. Alright. What do I want to add next? Let's test this out. So don't worry, I have that saved. Let's hit a join. C3 hole. Alright, let's see what that looks like. Interesting. Oh, yes. That worked beautifully. Alright, 1 second. Alright, apologies about that. I am back. Oh, we got... Oh, have you pressed join again? Okay. Interesting. Right. I haven't done anything to check if you're already in the stream, so... or if you're already in the score. So it's just going to make a new one. You're just going to start adding to there. Okay. Interesting how it says no specified. Weird. Wait, so once you hit the... Okay, so it just broke because I guess there's 2 things in the same name. Weird. Because it's not adding your new... Oh, okay. So it just ignores the second one. Yeah. Okay. Interesting. G5 hole. F triple sharp. Oh, F sharp. F. C double flat. Half. Alright, I'll just give you, a couple measures. Yeah. Alright. Well, that worked, but now I have to check, obviously, if you're already in the thing. If message sender in composers, then don't do this. So I'll just put a not in. That works, right? It doesn't hide. Yeah, I might have to fix the syntax. I think it's weird. But yeah, that should fix that for next time you run it. Okay. I want to be able to, like, I don't know, part of me says, like, I should be able to just, like, randomize a number of measures so you can, like, add on to it. Because typing it just, it's very tedious, I guess, but that's the way it is. Yeah, this would be way cooler with more viewers, but obviously we're sitting here at 2 viewers. Although, I wonder what happens if someone who is not joined yet adds a note. Where would it add it? Would it just fail on this? Because I think it would just crash right here. I think it would just crash on this line. No, because I'm referencing this and it doesn't exist. So I think it would error out. So I should probably check for that. I mean, I could just wrap this all in an if statement. If message sender not in composers. In composer. No, I can't do that. Because then it will get added. So interesting. It really should be like this whole thing. Yeah, I'm gonna leave these two out. This all should be and message sender. I'll put it here. So that should fix that. So you can't add a note or change the key or do any of that until you've been added to the composers list. Right now it's broken, so if someone tries to add a note without pressing join, it will break. Oh, and I need to, it's getting cut off there, so I need to increase the height. Let's go 800. Yeah, okay. Oh no, it's gone to the second line. Okay, yeah, let's way increase the height, so like 1600. There we go. Oh, is it still cut off? Still cut off here. Okay, we're done. Let me add some, actually. Yeah, I've got another measure. 1 second. How about a G sharp? 2. Nah, 3. Half. I'll add a couple half notes. And let's do it. Let's jump an octave to a G sharp 4. I always forget that if it's 4, I can just leave out the octave because it defaults to that. But yeah, alright, let's hit a stop. Wait, I just want to increase the size of this again. Oh, was it? Did I add too much? Oh, okay, well, whatever. Yeah, alright, that works. Alright. Okay, we've got a not a valid music XML file. Let's see, I'm gonna try and get one. Alright. Accidentally sent 0 length notes. Yeah, okay. Cool. Let's pop this up on here. And let's do this. Okay, ignore. Oops. Okay, I will play it in 1 second. Alright, let's give this a shot. I'm gonna pause the tunes. Alright, here we go. Yeah. Alright, this is created by me and Naruyoko, and also another Naruyoko who broke my program by adding himself again, but we fixed that. Alright. Yeah. I mean, I'm gonna be honest, that didn't actually sound that bad. It was a little bit atonal, but it was, you know, making progress on our compositional abilities. Alright, let's kill that and restart it. Alright, now we got KMH in the chat. You can feel free to add yourself, type join, and then you'll be added to the score. And then again, add notes, like that. And is it breaking? Oh no. No, what? I think it's, okay, it must be, I think it's the if statement I added. I think this is making it so that none of us can, try it again. Okay, clearly, oh, no, that did work. Okay, so it was that. Alright, yeah, go wild. Alright, that should work. Okay, let me know if if you can see it, because I think it's getting kind of small with we got 3 stabs going. I mean, I guess I could hide the code and make that big. Although this is a PNG on the white background of my starting soon thing, I'm not gonna lie. Like, but whatever. It works. Sketchy, but it works. Okay. Yeah, so I checked if but if they hit a note, so they send a note before. It's gonna crash. I'm wondering if this is even getting updated. That would be why, because I never actually. Right. Okay. No. Wait, I put it here. Yeah. I added the part, but I never actually added them to the array. Okay. Not append. Oops. There we go. That'll fix it. Now I can do this. Yep, the triplets getting interesting here. We got 50-plets. Yeah, you're gonna need more decimals than 0.33 for it to recognize it as 1/3. I'll add a note or 2 as well. Let's see. Do an F flat. I always think it's funny that you can just like put random accidentals. This will be good. This will be good. H2. Okay. Cool. Yeah, I should probably not do this. I don't know why this function didn't work last time, but composers, I wasn't able to like find the part of the API that let me do that, weirdly enough. Yeah, G flat. Use the dash. I mean, like, I get why they don't want the B in there, just because B is another note, and it would, I don't know, be annoying, but, like, it looks more like a flat, obviously. Okay, next thing I want to do is figure out how to add, so, like, I want you to be able to join with an instrument, like a specific instrument. So, get instrument, insert, part 1. Oh, you can do part.insert instrument. Interesting. Get instrument. Yeah, alright, let me know when you guys are done, or I don't know, and we can listen to it. The problem is, like, it's gonna get long enough that it just goes off the screen. I think we've achieved perfection. I mean, that sounds good to me. Let me just add a couple myself. I'm gonna drop down into the bass clef now. We stay in the treble clef. All right, where am I at? My computer's fans are trying quite hard. Yeah, it's weird because, like, if you have a measure that isn't full, it doesn't fill it with rests. It's just blank. So okay, so we've got 2.5 beats. So I need another half for 5.5. I'll just do a F sharp 5. No, I need 6.5. Let's try this. Should done my math right. Oh no, I'm off by 1. Alright, you get an extra. Yeah. Okay. I'll wait for Naru to finish up there if he wants to, and then we can listen to it. Or yeah, go ahead and finish out those measures. Okay, I need to figure out instruments. So, oh yeah, chords as well. I don't know. I'm too lazy to tackle chords just because so much input in the chat. It's like a lot of tedious typing. Best name, insert on a stream. Okay. Part name holds the name of the part. Per abbreviation holds the name of the... Right. Okay. So if I instead of inserting the part, yeah, how do I? Because I'm already inserting a part, so I'm not sure how I would insert. Alright, looks like we finished. Okay, let's hit a stop. Alright, yep, it's corrupted. bring that up. I've muted the music. Music was muted this whole time. Okay, shoot. I gotta... I'm terrible at this, as you can probably tell. Okay, but now I have to mute it again because we're gonna listen to this. Amazing work of art. Oh no. Where's the... here we go. Okay, ignore. Here we go. This was created by me, KMH, and Noriyoko. This terribly difficult looking piece. I can't imagine like the nightmare that must be to play. But we're gonna give it a listen right here. Okay. There it is. Alright, ready? Everyone ready? Here we go. Alright. Everyone send a clapping emoji in the chat. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful, amazing, fantastic. Guys, I'm really proud of the work we've done here. Especially like the part where none of that made any musical sense. But you know what? It's cool. It's like 3 people improvising different things all at the same time. I mean, we can give it, yeah, alright, fair enough, it made musical sense to your soul. So let's give it another listen, because it was rather quick. It's only, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 measures. I like that last note there. And obviously you can see how lazy I was. I just put a bunch of long notes because I don't want to type it out. But we got some intricate work here. And I like how we started on a nice, you know, we started on a nice C major triad, and we ended, of course, on C. Like that. That's great. Oh, we changed to F major for a bit there, but we made it back to C. Very emotionally impactful, tearing up. Well, I'm glad, you know, it made an impact. I think that's important. I'll make sure to save this. Hopefully nothing crashes. But, yeah. Amazing work there. Okay, I want to add instruments, because I think that'll be fun. Like, imagine if we could all choose our instrument. Formative experience. Wow. Well, yeah, hopefully your further music composition, if you do any, was impacted by that. And you know, when you become famous, feel free to list me as one of your inspirations. Give me a little shout out. For sure. I appreciate it. Adios. Alright, thanks for tuning in. That was fun. Yeah, I think I'm just going to work on adding instruments and then maybe call it a day there. I was aiming for 2 hours, but you know, we're efficient with it. Okay, so I believe that I can insert an instrument, but I'm not sure, like, an instrument is also a part, so like how does that work? Should I be making the instrument, like, instead of this, do instrument dot, like, I don't know, flute or whatever? Like, would that work? I think that would work. Let's try it. I'm just gonna do one real quick. Okay. Interesting. Provided key does not match any ID or group. So, it's weird because I changed, like, I manually changed the ID. And yet, I mean, I guess Does it like override? It made the part for me, at least. Like I'm looking at this here. Let's get the music back on. Just make sure that's working. Alright, let's skip this one. There we go. Alright, we got the music going again. Okay. Yeah. That was a failure. I would call that a failure. Let's delete that. Okay. So it's weird because you can add instruments to parts. Yeah, but don't you have to insert the instrument? I need to do a reading on this. Or do you do part? Is it part dot insert instrument? Like this. Like that. I don't know why I picked flute, that's just the instrument that they're using. Oops. I've now saved the web page, that's not how that works. Let's try this out. I wonder if that works. Oh, let's see what we got. Yeah, the problem is that, go ahead, try it out. Join and add a note, and then I just want to see, because, maybe it's because I changed the name, and then I added the instrument, so it overwrote it. But I also don't see the flute, like, name there. Yeah, it's adding to parts here. Yeah, did I do that? Let me grab this. Part name. I2 equals instrument, Insert it, yeah. Oh wait, no, that's a score. Part 2 dot. Oh wait, they use dot append. So I'm using append. So they've got their variable names are just like P and I. It's like the P is the part, right? Yeah, P equals streamed up part, P1 dot append. Interesting. I'm wondering what the difference between appending it and inserting it. Like, hey, Naru, can you just try joining and adding a note? Oh, okay. I guess when there's only one, it doesn't. Huh. Interesting. Okay. I want to see what it plays as, though. So let me stop it. Oh, I've stopped you. I'm not gonna break it. Okay. Oh, excellent, excellent. So it's added as a flute. Let's see that. So yeah, so that works perfectly because the name is our name and the instrument, although you can't see it, is a flute. Great. That's perfect. Okay. Let's bring this back up, hide that. Perfect. Okay. So yeah, I wonder what the, like, yeah, I don't know. Oops. I'm going to move this up here. Yeah, I don't think there's any append. I mean, I guess you could change instruments if you join, but it only does this once, so I'm not letting you change instruments. Let me just restart this. I mean, I guess it works, right? It's exactly what we wanted. And also I need to find the list of instruments names. Oh, because right, I still have to take that as input. It's gonna be annoying. Right, because this one's kind of like very specific. Because this is gonna have to be 2. Right. Okay, so I can just like steal this. Okay, right now. Instrument from string. Oh, nice. Does that error if it's like an invalid thing? Or does it just like, yeah, okay. Pygo hit join, or type join. Hit a join first. And then it'll add you in. Before you can type any notes. You've been bested by my error checking. Hit join and then you can add notes. Right now we're all flutes, because that's the instrument that was in the documentation. But oh no, oh yeah, it's restarted. All right, let's join in. Everyone join in. What are you started? G A. Okay, I'll do a G. Right there. Know what? You have a plan? Alright, I've you know what? That's the nature of this, right? We're all gonna be spamming at once. Maybe you can Nars hit an H note. Definitely interesting choice there. Okay, you got a plan. So what did you put? G A F G A. So that's F G A is coming next, I guess. You're hearing this lag, so like I'm watching the chat like live, but then you're hearing it probably after you've already typed it. Oh, you got a B flat in there. Interesting. B flat, A sharp. Okay, I gotta figure this out. So from string, let's look at that. From string. Okay. Clarinet 2 in A. Ah. Yeah, but, oh, interesting. And what happens if it's invalid? While you're doing that, I can actually test it out in another terminal. Hopefully this doesn't kill my computer. Oh god. Okay, yeah, no, this is a bad idea. We're just gonna... Yeah, no, okay. There's too many things going on for this to work. Oh no, kill terminal. Okay, that didn't kill, okay, that didn't... Whew, that was scary there. Alright, what's the plan? What's the game plan for this one? We got... alright. Oh no. Okay. That's fine, that's fine. Alright, I'll see you later. We're gonna play it out in just a second after I add 2 1/4 notes. John Cena. Okay. F4 whole. F5 whole. Okay, we'll hurry it up, G3 quarter. What note did you end on? G. Alright, I'll drop a G. Alright, Naru changing the key signature there. In the middle of the measure. YouTube.com/EAJmusic, shout out. Yeah, I know. I found this Reddit post that said this playlist was pre-checked, so I gotta make sure, you know, like some of them, even though they say DMCA, like free, or like it won't get you DMCA'd, that like it doesn't actually work. So this post on Reddit said that this playlist was pre-checked, so I am 100% sure, or 99% sure, that it will not get my stream muted. And so far, it has worked out pretty well. Last time it stopped in the middle. Advertises all the time. Okay, cool. Alright, let Naru add 1 more note there. Or no, you got 3 more quarter notes. Changing the key again. In the middle of the measure. Oh, you just changed the key back. Okay. Yeah. Alright, we're just gonna wait for this to finish out, and then I'll add a stop. So it looks like you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 more 8th note, and a quarter note left. Changing the key 1 more time for, alright, cool. Let's hear this. Display view score. Alright, let's meet the music. Here we go. We're all flutes, by the way. haven't implemented anything else. We're just all gonna be flutes, but flutes sound nice together, so whatever. Okay. I'm not sure what you were going for here. Yeah, I don't know. I couldn't pick out the melody from there, but yeah, it's absolutely been demolished by. Welcome to my stream. Oh no. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna restart it in 1 second, and then you can add notes. Alright, GP draws. Everyone hit join and add some notes. Oh, let me hide this and get the music back on. Rest in peace. If you get a mill, I'm robbing you. Look, my streams are of the finest quality. Alright? They're expensive, alright? They're fancy, they're amazing. Absolutely not. Okay, look. It takes a lot to be in my chat, alright? Only 4 people in the entire world are in my chat right now. So like, consider yourself lucky. Like, 4 out of what, 7 billion? we got some fighting going on. All right, keep it cool. All right, I'm gonna drop in some notes while you guys are discussing that. My bat will cripple you. All right. This is all for the purposes of the stream. This is all joking. This is comedy. This is humor. None of these people are serious about these threats. So I'm just gonna continue. Oh my god. Okay. Taekwondo is not karate. Yes. These are all. These are trolls. But you know, whatever. Oh no. I think we've triggered Miss Draw's pre-kindergarten. The worst insult of all time. Okay, let's figure this out. So, we want the array. Let's add this in front. What? What's wrong with that? Oh. Okay, I was quite confused there for a second. Obviously this. We don't need this. We can change this to R1. No, R0. Yeah, and then we can just do, so we can make an instrument from a string using this function. A fetus. You guys are wilding. I don't know what to say. Instrument dot from string. All we have to do is this. R1. Naru is not interested in your petty folly. Does that make sense? Did I use that word right? Folly. Petty. Yeah, folly, right? Brain. We're nearly 2 hours. We're an hour and 45 minutes into the stream. If I'm a fetus, you're an embryo. Okay. Naru is not interested in your petty fodder. I think fodder is the word I was looking for. He's just out there adding notes. And I think I will follow suit. Gotta get a nice, whoa, what do you got there? D flat. B flat. Ooh. Yeah, it marked sperm cell as explicit, so I had to allow that. Alright guys, cool it in the chat. Cool it in the chat. I won't have this fighting. I appreciate the viewership, but let's relax. We're all here to enjoy these what 1/28 notes Naru is adding to the score. Oh my goodness. Alright, I'm just gonna add a B flat 4, 3 beats. Yes, I do need clout. I appreciate the viewership. I actually need to maintain an average of 3 viewers in order to get my affiliate status. So please remember, this is public on the internet, so anyone can see it. So just be aware of that when you're talking about anything personal. Wow. So it looks like the key signature has changed. Not once, not twice, not thrice, not 4 times, not 5 times, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 times. 14 times. Alright, we got some connection going on in the chat, I think. What are we constructing? Spill. Oh, yeah, sure. We are making a piece of music. So you can type in the chat. If you type join, you can start adding notes to the score. I think, Pygirl, you have to hit a join first before you can add any notes. C# minor. Yeah, make sure you type join before you add notes. Well, yeah, I know it looks kind of crazy right now, but we are going to listen to it. I promise. Naru has exceeded the length of a measure, and yeah. Okay. I'm gonna let you add some notes, and then I'm gonna stop it, and we can hear it what it sounds like. But I believe that this works well enough that you can pick your instrument next time. So I can do message text, I believe, equals, if it's just join, I'm going to obviously check this, and then just do the default instrument. So piano, I think it just defaults to that. Do all of this. So there's a default join and then a join with instrument. How would you do a B flat? Oh, it's a dash, so B flat. Yeah, because they can't use the letter B because it would break it. Send your recording. Well, yeah, the recording will be up on Twitch. I mean, I think I'm gonna stop it. If what I just wrote works, I'm probably gonna end the stream. So if you want to hang out for like 10 more minutes, probably ending soon as we near 2 hours. Practically tell on your phone. That is true. Okay, no. The recording is gonna be on Twitch, so yeah, GP, you gotta type join first to join the score before you can add notes. So I appreciate you trying, but you're not doing anything right now. I should probably add that to the text. The instructions. Let's edit that. Okay. Type join to join. There we go. Cool. It's being hidden by that thing now. Yeah. There you go. Ooh, it's kind of small. Yeah, maybe I should make a separate instruction. Yeah, you hit join and now you add a note, and once you add a note it'll show up. So type, you're doing B flat half. Yeah, that works. I think yeah, I don't know, it might be a little bit broken right now. Is it broken? Oh. Something happened. Okay, I don't know what happened. We're gonna stop that for now. Yeah. Plus, no. Oh no. Okay, I think it's dead. It's crashed. Who? Okay, I believe it was PyGirl AD. Okay, don't do this. Don't do that. That right there. That is gonna break it. It's too small. Okay, I'm gonna have to restart it, and I don't think I'll be able to recover what we made, but whatever. It's okay. It's on stream. Everyone can see it anyways. Okay, we're restarting, and Pygry. You know what? Reading is a difficult task. Let's see if that works. Yo. I think that worked. Yeah, how do we error check fractions? I mean, we can check if the denominator is like greater than 1,000 or whatever. But I can just create a minimum value and then just check if the decimal's below that. But I'm too lazy to. Alright, guys. Try it out, try it out. Yeah, don't put, okay, just keep your fractions small. But I think my instrument thing worked. So you can either type join, dot commands, or join with an instrument. Yeah, I think I'm gonna separate this out into two thingies. So let's move this. Oh god. Yeah, it's okay. We all struggle with reading. Wait, I can just change it to join or join instrument to join. Okay, how does that look? A little weird. Alright, that works. Use a comma. Yeah, there you go. Okay, hopefully that worked. We're up to 5 viewers now. Insane. If you're just joining in, putting the instructions up on screen. I'm gonna have to add another text box. Instructions 2. Let's call this examples. Okay, and then this might come out massive at first. Oh, actually, oh no, that's the wrong thing. E sharp for 0.5 or B flat. Cool. Those are good examples. Probably. Let's move that over here. There we go. Wow. Okay. Oh, you put 1 point. Oh, you put, okay. Oh, was that earlier? Yeah. Okay, don't. Okay. Alright, I'm just gonna let this go. Feel free to add notes if you're in chat. Remember, type join or join comma your instrument to join. And then we're gonna give it a listen, and that's gonna be it. So I'm gonna mute up and type some notes. Yeah, so I think the problem with this is we put a lot of notes in, but it's going to be super short, and they're going to be over, they're going to go, and then it's going to be over. We've only got 3 measures in. Let's try putting some more, I don't know, half notes at least in there. Give it some length, you know? Yeah. And then after we finish this, I will call it a night. Appreciate everyone for dropping by. And if you're watching, hit the follow button if you haven't already. I'm not entirely sure, but I think at least one of my 4 viewers is not following. So I have a fancy little alert window that pops up when you're following. And if you're joining right now, if you've just joined, as I saw it go up from 3 to 4, hit join in the chat, type join, and feel free to add some notes. And you can do like join comma clarinet, and it will add you as a clarinet, or join comma flute, and it'll add you as a flute. And then we can have a whole symphony. I have no idea what the other instruments are, but there's a whole list of them on the website. Join clarinet. Alright, let's see. Yeah, you joined. So now, start adding some notes. Like this. You know? You got your note name, your octave, and then your length. You can do a whole half quarter, you can do 1, 2, you can do, if you don't provide an octave, it'll default to 4. Alright, Nara's gone quite a bit on with the length there. I actually have to expand this to accommodate for that. Let's add another 600 pixels. Alright, let's stop it there. We've gone off the screen. Too many instruments. I see it. Yeah, you got some catching up to do. So 0.05 is going to be a very short note. I think you meant 0.5, if I had to guess, but not the what 64th note pentuplet that you added. All right. I mean, I'd recommend adding some longer notes. Yeah, don't put any like really short decimal, because that will crash it. So please don't do that, because I really want to hear what this sounds like. So try 1 and 2. I don't sleep. Oh no, oh no. What happened? Uh-oh. Did it crash? No, I think it... Shoot. Alright, everyone, and stop it. Yeah, I think you did crash it, because the decimal point at the beginning, I think, crashed it. Wait. It was this one that crashed it, though. Because the 0.05 seemed to work here. Huh. That's weird. Because that... maybe it's just... yeah. It's because... yeah, it's not going to add any notes anymore, no. Alright, whatever. I am going to... Alright, here's what I'm going to do. This file should still be correct. I can check. Yeah, so this file is going to be correct. So right now, obviously it's not, you know. So, look, if I hit stop, Yeah, it's just broken now. But this file should still be fine. So if I go into my File Explorer and open up that file, let me find that under Twitch. No, what folder is this? Yeah, okay. Twitch makes music, and then open that up with MuseScore. It's going to be okay, guys. It's going to be okay. All right. I'm gonna stop. Yeah. I have no idea what music we're listening to right now, but that's okay. I'm gonna hit pause on that. Open this up. All right. Hit ignore. Okay, here we go. Here we go. I'm just gonna stop this from running really quick. Okay. This is the culmination of several hours of work. So in theory, I should be a saxophone, and we have, so it's a saxophone and 2 clarinets, I believe, is how we joined it as. So unfortunately, yeah, you've only got 2 notes in. Yeah, I think it was, I don't know, it's something weird with the decimal point. I'll look into it after this, but, yeah, so we got 2 clarinets and saxophone. There we go. Yep, MuseScore has a lot of these built in. All right, but we're gonna give this a listen. Only one part made it to the end before it crashed. So thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone, for participating in this. We're gonna give it a listen. Maybe we'll listen to it twice since it's only 11 measures. But this first measure, has all of us in it, and has multiple instruments, so that worked out great. All right, here we go. The big moment. Wow. Okay, so for me, I have the whatever gain up here over here super loud, so it's really loud in my ears, but that was really interesting. These notes played super quickly, but I don't know, we had some interesting stuff going on here, and a lot of piercing dissonance over in this measure, which is, yeah, okay, I'm not gonna ruin your ears, but yeah, we had two key changes, so a modest number. Last time we had 14. We had 2 key changes there. A lot of extraordinarily fast notes. I'm wondering if I could isolate this. So this to part 2. No. Okay. That is not what I want to do, because I think that's can I isolate? Yeah. Oh, over here. I'm going to mute these 2 and just play it so we can hear this. It's super fast and also super quiet, which I don't know how that... These ones are really loud and these ones are quiet. I'm not sure how that happened, but whatever. So yeah, let's listen to it one more time, and then I'm gonna end the stream there. Appreciate I Don't Sleep's 2 quintuplet 64th notes. Obviously it didn't make it to the end, but that's it's part of the process. All right, let's listen to it one more time. Here we go. It just occurred to me that I am technically playing music that was written by other people without their permission. So, I don't know if that's legal. I might get DMCA'd for music that has just been created. although obviously it doesn't have a content ID or anything, so that wouldn't happen. But I might need to put like a little disclaimer up that says, by using this, you agree to you know, be played by me. So, but yeah, but I guess it was a collaboration between your typing and my coding. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I'm glad. Let's look at some of the earlier works that we made. We had PyGirl AD in the chat. We made this. We had just a test, a flute test here. We had KMH joining in with some excellent music making here. That was one of our greatest works, I would say. We had some earlier testing. This is just all the same instrument. And of course, some craziness earlier on. But yeah, we made this. Thank you all so much for joining. It's been really fun. Let's get the music back in for the outro. Yeah, this was really fun. I'm glad so many people came, tried it out, and left. You know, I mean, I appreciate that, even if you don't stay. It's been really fun. Next time, maybe I'll add chords. But I think switching between everyone typing on the same staff and everyone typing on their own staff would be really cool. So like I'll be able to switch it into different modes for different ones. Just because like I think that produces a lot of different scores, you know? Everyone typing on their own one is cool, but as we see, sometimes some people get a lot further than others. And so if everyone's typing on the same one, obviously we all end at the same place. And we can change each other's key signatures. So that was fun. Maybe we could have like a battle where I let you change other people's key signatures and then you have to change it back to get something or something like that. I don't know. Shenanigans could be going on. So we have yet to add rests. Obviously, you can glitch it out or break it and it'll add rests. But we have yet to add rests, chords, other instruments. I think if you chose drum instrument, it would probably break because drums don't have notes, or like the drums in this don't have notes. What else? And yeah, if you have any ideas, feel free to like shoot me a message in the chat. Rests we can use. Oh, tempo changes, time signature changes. Of course. Staff changes. We could go from treble to bass clef, which it does automatically. Obviously, there's like many other clefs we could use. But yeah. So thank you so much, everyone, for hanging out. It was a really great stream. Got a lot done. Yeah, I don't know how much I'll be streaming this weekend. Maybe one tomorrow, maybe one Saturday. Probably not both days. But I'll probably come back with this, if not Don't Starve, together, because that was fun too. Alright, so yeah, as I've said many times, I super appreciate everyone stopping by. Thank you so much for coming. That's gonna be it. Until next time. Goodbye.